Hey guys, this is Ruhi and welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home for a complete home. And today's recipe is simple and easy veg momos with hot red chutney. Let's quickly start the preparation of these momos. Here I have taken 1 cup of maida, all-purpose flour and salt as per your taste. Add water and make into a soft dough. Apply oil on top of it. Cover with a cloth and rest this for 20 minutes. To prepare red chutney, here I have taken sliced onions, roughly chopped tomatoes, 1 inch ginger, garlic, 10 to 15 red chilies, some tamarind and 1 cup water. Let it boil. Boil for 10 minutes. Now you can see here the water is evaporated and it's completely cooked. Let it cool down completely. In a pan I have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add finely chopped onions and saute this for a minute. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and saute for a minute. Add half cup grated carrot. Fry this for 2 minutes. In a mixture jar I have taken some cabbage and grind into coarsely, not into fine paste. Now I am adding this cabbage to this carrot mixture. Fry this for 1 to 2 minutes. We should not overcook these vegetables. Add salt as per your taste and add 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. Add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Mix well and switch off the flame. Here this red chutney mixture is completely cooled down. Now take it in a mixture jar and grind into fine paste. Spicy red chutney is ready. Now knead the dough for a minute and take some portion to roll the small puri. And the remaining dough, cover this with a cloth. Now roll this dough to a small puri. Now add the stuff in the center of this puri. Close the ends as shown. Like this, prepare all these momos. To steam these momos, here I have taken a chutney and I have placed some cabbage leaves on top of it, and now I am placing all these momos. Leave some gaps here and there so that these momos cook evenly. In a big vessel I have taken 2 glasses of water and a piece of lemon. And this lemon will prevent the bottom not to spoil. Now place this chutney and cover the lid and steam this for 20 minutes in a medium to high flame. After 20 minutes you can see here they look transparent and ready to serve. Serve these momos immediately when they are hot. Try this simple and yummy recipe. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and do post your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and do press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Enjoy these yummy and delicious veg momos with red hot chutney. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye.